Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to take you along on a cozy winter day in my life. Get ready for some relaxation and comfort. The day starts with a gentle wake up as I cozy up in my warm bed. I'll take you through my morning routine from wrapping myself in a soft blanket to picking up quilt and blanket from my bed and keep all the things in the right place. Mornings are the perfect time for a fresh start. Let's make the most of this beautiful day. Time to get those endorphins flowing. Let's start the day with a morning workout and set the tone from amazing day ahead. This helps to improve our mind and gives us an energy boost. Stretching gets our blood flowing, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our muscles, which can leave our feeling more awake and energized. It's a great way to start my day on a positive way.
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Creating a study friendly environment is key to stay motivated. I will show you how I have set up my study space with all the essentials, including my favorite stationery. Now it's time for planning the day, writing my to do list. Now it's time to hit the books and study. I'll be studying for my upcoming test and working on some assignments. Next, it's time to freshen up. Then I head to the bathroom and starts my morning routine with brushing my teeth. And then I wash my face with a gentle cleanser and then I take a refreshing shower to start the day feeling clean and energized.
जय 1 2 3 करो जय हिंद नमस्ते भाई
As the day comes to an end, I'm feeling accomplished and ready to take on the next study session. I hope this study vlog has inspired you to make the most of your winter days. Remember, winter is a great time to hunker down and get those grades up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more study and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.